आज हम लोग आपके लिए एक नई वीडियो लेकर आए हैं। आपको पता है कि अभी कुछ ही दिनों बाद जो है 15 अगस्त, जिसे हम लोग इंडिपेंडेंस डे भी कहते हैं, ये दिन आने वाला है। इसके लिए आपको स्कूलों में कहा गया होगा कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे पर आपको ऐसे लिख कर लाना है, तो हम आपके लिए तुरंत ही ऐसे वीडियो लेकर भी आ गए हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इंडिपेंडेंस डे मतलब 15 अगस्त। इंडिपेंडेंस डे इज़ अ नेशनल फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. Independence Day is one of the most important day for the people of India. Our country got freedom from the British rule on the day of 15th August 1947. Since then this day is celebrated every year. India was under the British rule for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lokmanya Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. Next, today we are living in free India because of their sacrifices. Independence Day ceremony is organized at the Red Fort on 15th August of our Prime Minister. The national flag here in the morning. Lots of people participate in this ceremony. This day is also celebrated in all school, colleges and educational institute. National flag is by the chief guest and then national anthem is sung by all. Next, guests and students give a speech on this occasion. Patriotic songs are sung by the students. Many cultural activities are arranged on this day. Sweets are distributed to everyone. Independence Day celebration also inspires the young generation to serve this country. Independence Day is important to keep this